exploring innovation space. Now, so far we've seen that innovation involves a journey, from an idea through to creating value from that idea. But it's not just a random journey. We need to think before we start out on the journey, how far are we going to go in terms of novelty? And we've seen already that innovation actually can take place along a spectrum. From incremental innovation, do what we do, but better, right the way through to radical innovation, doing something completely different. But in this film, we're going to concentrate on another question, which is, which direction do we move in? Now, like anything, like any journey, it would be useful to have some tools to help us. And the good tool you might use in direction finding is a compass. So let's introduce a sort of innovation compass. And we'll call this the 4 Ps, just as there is on a compass 4 points, so there is in the 4 Ps innovation compass. So we can think about changing our product, or more importantly, what we offer the world, product or service. We can change the process, the ways we create and deliver that. We can change the position, the context in which we place that innovation, and the story we tell about it. And we can change the paradigm, the underlying mental models that shape what we do and the world in which we're trying to innovate. So what we're going to do in this film is explore each of those dimensions, the 4 Ps of innovation.